Okay, welcome back. Let's talk about the two very hot crypto nodes. One is called Agent Layer, what's already out for selling. The token is coming in the next couple of weeks. And the second one is Lumia, what's coming in only 20 hours and 30 minutes. And let me do some giveaway for you, for everybody who use my code for Agent Layer. Okay, so let's first do the giveaway for Agent Layer. Because why? Because I'm always giving something back. Next, let's talk about Lumia, how it's important to get in early, only if you want, of course. And also let's pick up for Agent Layer. If you never subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for watching first of all, and subscribe and like if you like, and comment and let me know what do you think about which node is better. Is it better Agent Layer or Lumia? Now before we go there, let's go for the lucky wheel, and this is everybody who used my code, by the way. Thank you so much. I'm going to send to 3 people 40 bucks each, and let's go and let's do the giveaway. My computer is very slow right now because my antivirus is rocking behind the scenes, but it is what it is. If this is ever spilled, like what the heck. Okay, let's start from the start. So let's go and spill. So first winner, 40 bucks for everybody who use my code, and I'll do the same for Lumia Nodes. If you use my code, probably I'll do some giveaways very soon. So congratulations for ending of this address. I will take also a screenshot. There we go. I will just remove this one. Thank you so much. Second winner of 40 bucks who is going to get is number address. So maybe you win before I sent to few people, by the way, but lucky, but I didn't record. I sent to 4 people before, or 5. That was weeks and weeks ago. This is the number 2 screenshot, remove. And number 3, 40 bucks to all of you. Also, I did send to 4 or 5 people before, but I didn't record. I just sent just like that, but I forget. I was recording, I messed up. Oh, there we go, remove, and screenshot for you. All right, good. Now, thank you so much for everybody who using my code, and let's go and let's talk about the tomorrow update notes. So this was for Agent Layer giveaway. For everybody who used my code before, I did a giveaway, a free node right here. There we go, just 3 days ago, I give away 1 full node. All right, so let's talk about, first of all, for Lumia. Lumia is coming tomorrow. Okay, they're going to help for the liquidity for the Web3 technology. Okay, for the Web3. Okay, they're going to help with the liquidity, what is very good. Now, what is Lumia? Watch the video from yesterday so you can get the all full information. Basically, Orion is their own token, was going to be renamed to Lumia, and it's already listed on big exchanges like Binance, like BitGet, like KuCoin, like Coinbase. So basically, the token is already out yet. Once they have the transfer, from the token from Orion to Lumia, we should get 1-to-1. Make sure you check the white paper, check in their socials, and also make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. And also, next big thing is, if you want to use the code is Phil08. If the only way to get the node is using the code, and also by using this code, thank you so much, I'm going to send some money back to you. I'm going to pick up lucky winners like I did with this one with Agent Layer, and I'm going to send some money. If the team give me a node for free, I'm going to give 1 for you, but I don't know if that's going to happen here. With Agent Layer, they give me 1. With Lumia, I don't have the clue. No, so Orion is at the moment 160, and we should get swap 1-to-1. Now, what will be the price on the swapping? How many tokens we're going to get per day? Watch the video from yesterday. I explained everything there, okay? So that's for Lumia Nodes coming in 20 hours. When I'm doing this video, you can just buy and hold. You don't need to run anything. Make sure you watch the video tomorrow. I'm going to buy 1 live, okay? So, okay. Whew. Let's go to the next one. Next one is Agent Layer. Agent Layer, I just did the giveaway for you. So again, I did a full node giveaway 3 days ago, and today, as you can see, 3 people, these people right here, I'm going to send you 40 bucks each to all of you. All right, let me just also bookmark this page right here so I know it's right there. Okay, right, good, I took screenshot. Okay, I have the video, doesn't matter. All right, so I'm going to send you 40 bucks later on today. Now, by the way, So that's for agent layer. Agent layer is also AI, okay? So I did a video also a couple of days ago, and they have a very hot updates probably in today or maybe yesterday or tomorrow. I didn't check anything at the moment. I just want to drop this video and just do giveaway because the time is ticking for Lumia Nodes. I'm going to do full video for agent layer very soon, so make sure you follow me and you watch the video. So agent layer, the token is not even out yet. The token price right now, it costs around 1,000 bucks. The nodes, price is 1,025 because they sold 7,447, and before that it was 7,077 just a couple of days ago, and they already sold 300 more nodes. That is crazy. Now the token price is going up because every 100 they sell, the token price raising. Also, you just buy and hold, and that's about it, and you're getting your tokens every single day. What will be the listing price will be 10 cents. It will be on Bybit, and it's coming in the next couple of weeks. Now, can this do, how many tokens we get per day? At the moment, around, if you divide 200,000 by all these nodes, you will see how many tokens you get. I think around 28-30 tokens per day. Now, how up will go the price, how down will go the price, I don't know, but I'm here from day number 1, and that's why I'm going to go here in Lumia in day number 1, maybe hour number 1, because there are some big names behind this one. Please understand, nothing here is financial advice. I don't have a clue if this is going to do well or not, but I'm going to take the risk because so far I've been winning in a couple of nodes, and a couple of nodes I've been losing. So overall, I'm being on the positive side. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these nodes? Are you going to like them? Which one do you like more, and are you going to get into Lumia or not? Make sure you use my code at cryptophil08, because if you want to get the node, and the code for the agent layer is down in the description. Thank you, have a great day, God bless, I love you, and I should see you in the next one.